Hello, how are you guys? Today we are going to learn how to make the pattern for this pocket, which we know as a diagonal pocket. We are going to learn how to make the inner and outer parts. To make this pattern, we will need the template of our front piece. This is the template we will need to make the pocket pattern. It must have any leaks on the side removed, and it must also have its final rise height, because from this pattern we will make four. Our pocket, this pocket has two pieces. It is composed of two pieces, the inner part and the outer part. The inner part of the pocket is what we can see inside, where it has its top stitching, and the external part is the one we can see here on the other side, which this complete pattern would be. And this other one is the internal part. So guys, the pocket consists of two pieces, the internal part and the external part. And when joining both pieces, the pocket ends up like this. We will learn step by step. Remember to share this video so that more people can learn how to make this pattern. With that said, let's start.
As step number 1, we are going to need the pattern of our front pants. We also need two types of rulers, a French curve ruler and a straight ruler. If you do not have this ruler, you can use a square ruler. Or we can also work with just a measuring tape and do it freehand with a steady hand. To make this pattern, we can work with any material, be it newspaper, poster board, or cardboard. On this occasion, I will use cardboard. Now, we are going to draw our front pattern on this cardboard. When we transfer the mold to the cardboard, we will do it from the top to 30 centimeters as an example, since we will not use the entire pattern. And that measurement will be the length of our pocket, as we can also customize it. 26, 28, 30, 32, or more. It will depend on the size of your pocket. Now, we will start marking our pattern this way along the edges. Then, we will mark 2 points that will help me trace the pocket pattern. On the crotch, we will mark point A, and on the side, we will mark point B. If you don't have the French curve ruler, don't worry, because at the end of the video, I will leave a QR code so you can download this ruler in PDF format.
I will also leave the link below so you can go to my Telegram channel, which is called Patronage GW. Enter the link and download the rule. Once you have marked point A and point B at the top, we will set a standard measurement, which will be 5 by 17. To give you an idea, we are working on this part of the pants, which will be 5 centimeters wide. Let's go to the pattern. From point B to point A, we are going to mark 5 centimeters. Enter 5 centimeters. And then from point B downwards, we will place 17 centimeters. This measurement is for men. If you are making it for women, it will be from 15 to 16. I also want to explain how to apply this measurement for a custom job. Let's take the measuring tape and place our hand like this. We'll place the measuring tape over our hand and measure from side to side like this. The measurement I have is 17 centimeters. You might get more or less. Likewise, here I leave you with the industrial measurements in case you want to work your pattern by size by industrial measurements, so you don't have to measure your hand this way. Okay? Now we are going to connect the marked points, point 5A and point 17. We will place the ruler in this way so that it appears diagonal and we draw a line connecting both points. This line that we just drew now belongs to the inner part of the pocket. which would be this piece we see here that I just assembled. If we look closely, here we have the inner part from the pocket. Now, this line is not always straight. If you want to work with this line a little curved, you can use a ruler, a hip curve, or a French curve ruler like this. And you can also draw like this. The diagonal pocket, okay? But this time with a curved effect. Next step. We will measure 30 centimeters down from point B, which corresponds to our pocket length. Now we will place the straight ruler as a square in this way on the edge of the side and draw a line horizontally. Then go down 5 centimeters from point 17. This measurement will help me separate the pocket from the side. We mark 5 centimeters and then call point 30, point C, and on the other side, point D. Now, we will go from point C to point D, 16 centimeters as the standard measurement. And then we are going to break that measurement into 2 equal parts. For example, if I have 16 split into 2, it gives me 8. Then we will enter 1.5 centimeters from point 5. To then take the French curve ruler and connect point 8 with 1.5 in this way. Here, we are working on the side part of the pocket with a French curve ruler. Now, the next step will be from point A, we will go down a standard measurement, which will be 12 centimeters, then move in 8 centimeters horizontally. We will take the ruler in French curve, and we are going to take the reference line we have made now with point 16. We will work on our pocket in this way. This would be the center. Now, with the same ruler, turning it 90 degrees, we are going to draw the curve of the center this way. And here we have our pocket, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot. Share it, comment on it, let me know your thoughts. Sorry that the video is so long because it's a class A, theoretical, and for that, I need you to learn well. Now guys, look at what we are going to do. The next measurement will be for the inner part. Here we have the complete external pocket. And now we are going to work with the internal pocket, okay? Because remember, there are 2 pieces. So since the inner pocket is going to be smaller, we must remember that the pattern takes up 5 centimeters. Then, to that measurement, we will add 4 more. That would be 5 plus 4, 9. We mark from point A, 9 centimeters towards point B. We will take this point vertically to point 16, which we have at the bottom. We draw a vertical line, and here we have the inner pocket. And here we have the outer pocket, okay? Remember that this pocket is made up of 2 pieces. Now I want you to see how the pocket is cut to extract the internal and external part, okay? Step by step of the pocket. So let's watch it. Now, we will mark 2 notches, one at the top and one at the bottom. From point 5, we will go in 1 centimeter. And from point 17, we will go down 1 centimeter. This is for the stitching of the pocket on the inside. Now, at the marked points, we will make 2 notches. We click here and then here. Remember that we need to mark these little notches on the fabric later, okay? Now, the next thing we're going to do is draw our pattern on another piece of cardboard. Let's draw it this way. Don't miss the next video because I will be explaining how to take measurements correctly for a skirt, pants, blouse, and dresses. I messed up a little here, so I'm letting you know. Guys, don't miss the next video because it's going to be super good. After those videos I upload, which will be released this coming week, I will be launching how to correctly sew this pocket. Step by step. Every day, I am improving in quality, in production. So I do all of this with much affection for all of you, people from Bolivia, Peru, Colombia, Argentina, Venezuela, the United States, Spain, and El Salvador. Many people who watch me from all the countries. And in case I didn't mention a country, leave me a comment. And I know I didn't mention you, I didn't mention your flag, so go ahead. And a big greeting to the people of Ecuador. Ecuador in the house. Ecuador is already watching me. Greetings to all Ecuadorian people. I am Ecuadorian, so greetings to all of you too, and a greeting to everyone watching me. Don't miss the next content that I'm working very hard on for you. Okay, guys? So, and nothing, guys. Look, this way we can make the pocket super simple in a professional manner, just like it's done in a textile industry. Here, what we do is cut. Look where we had left the diagonal and then cut along the vertical line, okay? The line where we had marked 0.9 and 0.16 drawn in this way, okay? Here we have the external part of the pocket and here we have the internal part. Don't miss the end of the video. Watch until the end because there's a surprise there for you to scan the free ruler, okay? Or if not, go to the description and I have already uploaded it on Telegram so you can download it in PDF. And that's how our pocket looks, guys. I hope you really like this video, that it helps you. Share it, comment on it. At the end of this video, there is a short video on how to make the packet if I don't have the tools I just used. Here, I also leave you the QR code so that you can download the PDF and print on cardstock. Very important recommendation, you should print in A3 format. If you print it on A4, the ruler will come out halfway. So I'm also giving you the neckline ruler as a gift so we can use it later in the future when I teach blouses and shirts, guys. So that's all. Blessings and success. Over and out. First, we will place the length of the pocket from the top down 30 centimeters. And then we will go down 5 centimeters from 0.17 to then move in by 1.5. We will place the tape measure like a ruler and draw a horizontal line like this. And then we will go in 16 and break it down into 2, which would be 8. We will make a slight curve like this, connecting the 8 with the 1.5. After the crotch, we will go down 12. And here we will not draw the line. We will do it directly like this, freehand, taking it towards the middle. And here we have the pocket, guys. To finish, we will go in 9 centimeters from the crotch to the side and vertically take it to 0.16. I hope you really like this video. And look, that way we can make the pocket. I know this pocket could be made faster, but I needed to explain all the steps I did in the video. Over and out, guys. Now goodbye.